A simple question: can you buy Bitcoin on Uphold? The answer is a clear yes. Uphold is a versatile digital money platform that supports a wide range of assets, and Bitcoin is certainly one of them. It's designed to make the process of acquiring crypto straightforward for users. So, how does it work? First, you need an Uphold account. This involves a quick sign-up and a verification process, which is standard procedure on regulated platforms. Once your account is set up and verified, the next step is funding your account. Uphold offers multiple options for deposits, including connecting a bank account or using a credit or debit card. Choose the method that works best for you. With funds in your account, you're ready to make the purchase. You navigate to the platform's Transact section. From there, you'll select the currency you want to use for the purchase. This is your from source, like your deposited fiat currency or another asset you hold. Then, you choose Bitcoin, or BTC, as the asset you want to purchase. This is your destination. You enter the amount you wish to spend, review the transaction details, and then confirm. Uphold's system processes the trade, and the Bitcoin is credited to your Uphold wallet. The platform aims for a seamless conversion, allowing you to move between traditional currencies, precious metals, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, all within one interface. Uphold also offers features like recurring buys, so you can set up automated transactions to consistently buy Bitcoin over time. This approach can be a great way to build your position without constantly monitoring the market. In short, Uphold makes buying Bitcoin an accessible process with several funding options and an intuitive trading system. Always remember to do your own research before making any investment decision in the volatile crypto space.